What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today, I am going back to the old stomping grounds, Columbus, Ohio. So yeah, me and my mom are on our way right now to the airport in Austin. It was about an hour and a half drive, but now we're about 30 minutes away from Austin Bergstorm. So yeah, this is gonna be a crazy vlog. Join me on my journey to the old stomping grounds. Just got Chick-fil-A, got a Chicken Milk too. Just getting that pre-flight meal in, getting all to set, baby. Getting all pumped about 10 minutes away from the airport. We're about to be there, baby. I'll let you guys know when we're at Austin Bergstorm. Have just arrived at the airport, baby. We're just finishing our stuff. But look what I just saw. Yep. Cybertruck. Just pulled up to the airport, looked, and I saw one. That's wild. Just walking in the airport. Just W vibes. Just got in the airport, heading to the Tiffany County for Southwest right now. But I'll let you guys know when we're done with that and heading to TSA. Just got my bag all done and all that stuff. Now we're heading to TSA. So yeah, my mom just got her gate pass to come back with me until I board. So yeah, I'll let you guys know when we're done at TSA. Got done with security. Actually got patted down for the first time. That was pretty crazy. They don't like things at the airport. Right now we're just checking out, getting a snack. It's about an hour until I leave on the plane, baby. So that's pretty lit. So yeah, we're checking out right now. I'll let you guys know when we get to our gate. To my gate. Just got to my gates. After getting some snack. After getting a snack and a drink. Some gum. So I got some gum. My drink is a Mountain Dew. And then I got some Doritos for the flight. So should be good for a 2.5 hour flight to Columbus. So yeah, baby, I'll check in with you guys when probably we're about to board. Just downloading some show episodes right now. It's called The Innocent Man. So yeah, just downloading that, and I'll actually give a review on it after the flight to see how it is, baby. But yeah, just still waiting to board. Just telling you still the whole show download. That's crazy. Downloaded so fast. And now I'm downloading Hall of Shame, the baseball, and it's like sports thing. Just downloaded that whole show, The Innocent Man. Now I'm downloading the Hall of Shame, the baseball movie. So yeah, just still telling you that they said that they're about to open it soon. So yeah, baby, let's get it. Let's go. The plane has just arrived. It's about to jet. We're about to jet. We should be boarding in any minute now. So yes, baby, it's getting real now. About to hop on the plane and go.
We're clearing all standbys.
We are boarding, baby. Let's go. About to hop on the plane, baby. I'll let you guys know when I'm on the plane. I am on the plane, baby. Let's go, baby. Oh, Let you guys know we're about to take off. Then I'll film the takeoff, baby. Let's go. Let's go. We've been waiting forever. But guys, I'll let you guys know when we'll start moving. Then when we get on the runway, we are moving. Let's go. Let's go time. Here we go. We're on the way, baby. We're on the way to the Stomping grounds. Right now, just watching a movie, just chilling, watching something about steroids and sports, about Malco. It's pretty good so far. We're almost done with it. But yeah, I'm just chilling out. Guys, just to know, this trip is a 2-month trip. I'm going to Ohio, of course, today. Up to Michigan on Wednesday. Then I'm going to Florida. Then I'm going to Las Vegas. So yeah, guys, a lot of great content to come, baby. Yeah, but right now I'm just on the plane, almost getting there, baby. We're getting there. We're getting there. Hey guys, I'll let you guys know when I'm done with the movie and we're about to land. Just finished watching the movie. Really good. It talks about Balco and all that stuff with the steroids. It's a pretty good one with athletes. So yeah, if you guys are fascinated in that situation, that would be the right one to watch. But yeah, guys, back to have just touched down in Columbus. Yes! Yeah, Columbus. Elite Sports Kings back. Oh yeah.
Please be careful as we get the overhead bin. Items you tend to shift around during the flight, they could fall out. You may resave your cellular service, but please do leave your carry-on
We have arrived at John
If you're
Glenn
connecting here to another
International
Southwest city,
Airport.
please deplane.
Yes, sir.
Check.
There's downtown Columbus in the distance. Right there, baby. Yes, sir. I'm back in the city that I love most. Gosh, does it feel great to be in the city that I love? Just pretty great. I love it, I love it, I love it. Columbus, I'm back. Let's go. I am so hyped right now. I'm listening to Daddy's camera now to meet my aunt that I haven't seen in a hot minute, shall I say. Alright guys, let's get my luggage, and that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. What a banger it was. So make sure to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and we'll see you in the next one. What's up, Columbus? Peace.